I pulled you over today in this driveway.
What?
You were driving without a seatbelt.
Officer, I didn't know. I'm sorry, old man, alright? You don't be so tough. I'm sorry, old man, I didn't know.
Old man. Old man. I was gonna let you off for a warning, but now I might have to send you to jail. And you know, if that new, TD bank law passed, I might have to, sentence you to death.
Perfect.
Here's your ticket, son.
No! Come on, man. I can't afford this.
Perfect. Hopefully you're happy with that ticket. You're happy with that ticket, loser.
Oh, this freaking sucks. Screw that ticket. I'm not putting on that freaking seatbelt. I'm out of here.
You just kind of say like,
Good afternoon, sir.
do you want to know why I pulled you over? Yeah, I gotta do that, right? Gotta go.
Okay. Tell me when.
You can, right now.
3, 2, 1, go. Good afternoon, sir. Do you know why I pulled you over?
I don't know, officer, why.
I pull you over, but seeing that you're wearing your seatbelt and you have pretty nice shoes, I'm gonna let you go. I was gonna pull.
No.
Those are really nice shoes. Those are just some really nice shoes. Those are some really nice shoes. Have a good day. You know what? I'll give you this. I give you a ticket, or you give me those sweet J's, man.
What? Anything but my J's.
Hand them over, Kyle. Me and kid.
Here.
Have a good day, sir.
Yeah, see ya. Dang it.
Oh no! No, please don't keep that in the video, man.
Man, shame that kid died. Oh my god! Shame that kid died. If only he obeyed the law, and now he's dead. James, do you have something to say to us?
No, I don't.
Send him. Hopefully you're happy with that ticket. Ready? Try that again.